bridge again, and we're gonna have to go through the wrong way. That's scary. He is currently under evacuation, which we're not leaving. We're not leaving. So it will be very, very scary going the wrong way. So we're gonna have to go. Now that I'm on the side where we're gonna have to be going back, it's gonna be a better view, I promise. See, you see, that we had to go through the Jack in the Box drive-thru. Not drive-thru, we had to go through. They're not open. Anyway, people were dumb. Anyway, they're dumb. They should have closed off Jack in the Box too. Tried, but you know. Prepare. At the crossover, and there's police right there. And there's a Jeep talking to them. And now we get to go once he comes over. So if you go through Brazoria. Okay, so he was super rude. He was like rude. He's like, I'm the one that's gonna have to pull your body out of there. If you go head on, you're gonna get killed. And he's like, I'm the one that's gonna have to pull your body out of there, and blah 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 blah. And I'm just like,
they've been doing it all freaking day.
Oh, here it is. I was scared to record him because, you know, I didn't want anything to happen. He's a police officer. Honestly, he was actually kind of rude, really.
Actually, he was kind of an asshole.
Well, okay. You see the water right there? And then there.
I guess I'll take this road right here to get home. So I'm off the effing road.
I know, he was rude about it too. Bro. I understand that he was trying to warn us, I mean, but he didn't have to be rude like that.
Hey, Brian.